guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a couple boxes in front of me. And if you could tell by the title of the video, this is my 2021 back to this is my iPad unboxing. I have a couple accessories. Over the summer, I had a computer. It was getting old, so I made the bold decision to switch to an iPad as my computer and see how it goes. So we have a couple boxes to unpack today. I know I haven't posted in a while, but yeah. First, we have this box from Amazon. I did get a pair of new AirPods because I lost my first pair. I took them to school, put them in my, so we had this class called engineering design, and I put them on the shelf thing, and they just disappeared. So yeah. So here we have some parchment paper, some bubble wrap. We have my power bank. I got a new power bank, and I have a case for the new AirPods. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna add that to the pile. And here is the star of the show. We're going to oh, even their packaging, it looks like Apple made the box. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna take that out. Oh wow. Did they tape it down? They taped it down. How does self-tape work? Box. Unfold this. Cutting for no reason. Is an iPad Air. I didn't get the Wi-Fi model. I wanted to get cellular, but we didn't. This is the 3rd generation iPad Air. I got the 3rd generation. I ordered it 2 days before it was supposed to come out, and then it came out after. So if you can see in this whole entire pile of tech, I'll put all the prices I bought these for in a little corner. First, I have this iPad Air. I did use Apple Education, so I got a little bit of a discount, and then that's how I got a second pair of AirPods. iPad Air at that price. AirPods, these were free. They came with the iPad for Apple Education. This power bank was like $21. I got this case, the Air pencil. I also got that at like $10 off. I got the paper-like film, not the paper-like screen protector, because I was not about to spend $40 on one piece of plastic. So yeah, and then I also got this, which is a keyboard case for it. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the power bank. So it says power bank, solar charger. Wow, I look bigger in the picture. So here's the charge bank. It's supposed to be 20,000 milliamp hours. It has solar panels on the front. Next, we're going to start with the Apple Pencil. So I actually got because I got this is the 3rd generation and the 4th generation just came out. So it took about 2 weeks for it to get to me. I think they didn't want to produce any more of it, so they said, let's see how many orders we get for it. I'm glad I got the 3rd generation. I like the 4th generation, but then again, it's $600, and then you have to get the 2nd generation Apple Pencil and stuff like that. And then I have Apple Education, so this was a win-win for everybody. Does this not roll tab? Wow. Apple thinks a lot. Oh, there you go. Now we have a full time. Designed in Apple, made in California. Okay, so it comes with a piece for me to put on the end of the Apple Pencil and to plug the charger in. And it comes with an extra tip. Use your manual that no one's gonna read. Okay, thank you. And now, for the store of the shoe, I don't know if I should get a case for my Apple Pencil. I don't think I need one. We won't fling it. So this is the Apple Pencil. A little ASMR. Feels nice in the hand. We still put it in. Nothing too special. We're gonna put you in your chart. Does it not have a chart? Okay, we don't have a charging cord. Yeah, no doubt. I'm gonna put you as unboxed. Next, we're going to do the star of the show, the iPad. Has a nice convenient pull top. Easily pulls away. Okay, let's not shake it. I got 64 gigabyte Wi-Fi in space gray. Here's the iPad. It comes with the charger. I already have enough charger, so I'm gonna leave you in here in case I ever lose charger. And it comes with the old big brick. So I have the iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I'm gonna leave the charger in here just in case I need it for something. Okay. 2 more Apple stickers I'll never use but never want to use. Okay. I'm gonna put you back. I'm gonna put this back in the box and consider you unboxed. Pencil here. Move it. That's what we're looking at for time. Okay, plenty of time. Next, we're gonna unbox this keyboard. This keyboard's not. It's magnetic, which I really like how they make it. Case, keyboard, nothing too special. Alright, put that next to the camera. Some of my instructions, but I already know how to use it. So I don't know why, but the video just stopped. So next we're gonna do my AirPods. I haven't had AirPods for the long. AirPods are a really nice, convenient feature. Flip book and pamphlets. I'm so glad I got another pair because I don't know how. I'm so glad I got another pair because they're so. Once you have them, like people don't have them. Like, oh yeah, I don't need AirPods. But once you have them, it's really hard to go back. Another charging cable. I'm not unleashing all these chargers. I'm dropping my AirPods again. AirPods. Close you and consider you unboxed. Next, we're gonna do the case. I got a 2-pack on Amazon. It was really cheap, like $6 or $7. Warranty card. There's blue and there's black. I'm gonna use the blue one and consider you unboxed. Next, we have this paper film thing. Come on, it doesn't want to open. please, I don't want to break this. If I break this, it's over. Let's return everything back to the store. Come on. Okay. Whew. Meltdown averted. So I have some non-slip mats, 2 screen protectors. Just feel like paper. A very cheaply made squeegee. Some cleaners, I would need those because my iPad's really gonna stare at the wrapping. Happy with their purchase. Honestly, I'm not happy with my purchase. Just so you can refund me my $10.99. Anyway, so I'm gonna get everything all set up and then I'll meet you guys back here when everything's set up and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. iPad all set up. So far I'm really liking it. The Apple Pencil feels really nice in my hand. I like its thin minimalist design. But as for this video, it's about over. Please make sure you like and subscribe and see you back in 1 year for my 1 year review.